Hello again, it's Rai from Sinch. In the next part of our tutorial for the user profile menu, we'll focus on the more financial side. Here we'll discuss the history, the payouts, and the wallets tab. When you click on the history tab, you'll then see a detailed overview of all of the shifts you've ever completed. On the left side, the details indicate the time and place of that shift, and on the right side, there's information about the hours, rating, and salary you received for that shift. This page is updated automatically every time you complete a shift. The Payouts tab gives you a detailed overview of all of the times you've requested to be paid. Listed in the middle of the page, you can see the day that you requested the payout, how much you asked for, if it was in cash or via bank transfer, and the day that it was actually paid out. If you're interested in a more detailed overview, you can even click Show Payout. Here, an additional dialog box will show up with even more information about your shift and the wage that you received. To request a payout, click on the Request Payout button in the middle of the user profile menu. A dialog box will appear showing you an overview of how much money is in your wallet, and at the bottom you can request how much money you'd like to withdraw. You can take the total amount or a lower amount. In addition, you can also choose options like bank transfer or in cash depending on the availability of your company. Once you're finished, just click Request Payout. Lastly, we'll take a look at the Wallet tab. This tab gives you a detailed overview of all of the transactions, both incoming and outgoing. When you click on the Wallet tab, you get a detailed overview of all of the incoming and outgoing transactions that you've had on your account. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see that there is an amount in red. This means that this user has requested money to be withdrawn. The other items there in black are shifts that are waiting to be requested for payment. This user has already earned that salary, but has simply opted to keep that money in their wallet. In addition to the detailed information in the Wallet tab, your wallet is always visible on the left-hand side in the user profile menu. This user has a balance of £80 that is still yet to be requested. To receive that money, all you need to do is click Request a Payout. Now you should have an overview of the financial features of the Sinch platform. In the next video, we'll take a look at the Help menu, but in the meantime, thanks for watching.